If your faith feels heavy right now, here is one simple place to start. Set aside 1 minute. That's it. No pressure to say the right thing. No pressure to feel anything. Just sit quietly and notice. Notice you are here. Notice God is near. That's the step. It might feel small, but this is how faith is rebuilt in hard seasons. Quietly, steadily, not through intensity, but through consistency. One small step repeated over time. You don't have to fix everything. Just take one small step at a time. Just take one small step today. If you want more steps like this, I've put some together for you in the Steady Rebuild Starter Guide. You can find that below.